Welcome to Car Trend, where we're all about the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the future of driving with the new 2024 BMW i8M. This isn't just any car, it's a statement, a fusion of luxury, innovation, and sheer power. Imagine cruising in a vehicle that boasts a turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering a staggering 591 horsepower. That's right, from zero to hero in mere seconds, with the top speed that pushes the boundaries at 186 miles per hour. And it's not just about speed. The i8M promises up to 330 miles of range, ensuring your adventures are as long as they are thrilling. The sleek design is a nod to the iconic M1, with a modern twist that's bound to turn heads. So, buckle up, and let's get ready to explore the 2024 BMW i8M, a car that's redefining the hybrid sports car experience. Stay tuned to Car Trend for more updates on this electrifying ride. 123. Source: Conversation with Bing, March 15, 2024. 1. 2026 BMW i8M, what we know so far, car and driver. https://www.carandriver.com/BMW/i8M. 600 horsepower BMW i8M could be the hybrid sports car we always wanted. https://www.carandriver.com/news/A3225918/BMW i8M confirmed 2024/3. 2024 BMW i8M, release date, price and design, update, electric car and dime. https://electriccarandime.com/BMW i8060/4. Here's why the 2024 BMW i8M is really worth the wait. Hot cars. https://www.hotcars.com/2024 BMW i8M worth the wait. 5. The next 2024 BMW i8M, preview, specs, and prices, World Car Blog. https://worldcarbblog.com/n/car-models/BMW/108 BMW/602. The next 2024 BMW i8M preview, specs and prick. S.